Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase walk packs on Dress To Impress. Select the pose pack here and go to the shops. Then as you can see, these are the new poses, but you're just going to select walk. Then you're going to purchase the walk by pressing it. Here I'll show you a little preview. Cutesy, elegant, attitude, diva, icy walk, and peace walk. To purchase, you're just going to select the purchase button, which I already did, and then you're just going to select equip, and then as you can see, you'll walk like a diva. Super cute, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.